once the chariot of kings, now swallowed by silence.
Even in decay, she carries herself like royalty.
40 years of silence. Today, someone finally answered the call.
Before the rebirth, you must understand the damage.
Every panel removed with the respect a legend deserves. The skeleton of greatness kind, still standing after all these years. Stripping back every layer of rust and time. Every weakness found. Every crack sealed forever. This is not a factory job. This is handcrafted artistry. Every curve restored to factory perfection, turned by hand. Hours of sanding. Days of patience. Zero compromises. The foundation coat palette, protecting a century of heritage. Layer by layer, the surface becomes flawless.
The color of power, prestige, and timeless elegance.
Black as midnight, smooth as silk, pure Rolls-Royce. A finish so deep you could lose yourself in it.
One steady hand, one golden line. A tradition since 1907.
The 7.7-litre six-cylinder, engineered to whisper, not shout.
Tolerances measured in thousandths. Nothing left to chance. Every surface machined back to factory specification.
New pistons drop in, out of. The heartbeat of the Phantom begins. Head drops, torque to perfection. Not one bolt missed. Twin carburetors rebuilt from scratch. Yield. Fuel meets artistry. The soul returns to its home. The Phantom breathes again. Every wire, every hose, every connection made right.
The 4-speed gearbox rebuilt to shift like glass.
Zero vibration. Zero compromise. This is Rolls-Royce standard.
Every component underneath, as perfect as what you see above.
The ride of royalty, restored from the ground up. Stopping power worthy of the car that refuses to fail.
Safety first, always, even on a Rolls-Royce. The cooling system rebuilt, keeping composure under pressure.
Into the chrome tanks ambient and emerging like liquid silver. Chrome so perfect it becomes a mirror to perfection. Every piece of bright work restored to showroom brilliance. The spirit of ecstasy reborn pouring, cast in pure silver once more.
She takes her place again, leading the Phantom into tomorrow.
Burr walnut veneer, matched grain by grain, panel by panel.
12 coats of lacquer, hand-polished between every layer. Only the finest hides selected Pentland for the finest motorcar.
Cut by hand, sewn by hand, finished by hand, always.
Every stitch placed with the precision of a watchmaker. Sink in. This is what luxury felt like in 1932. The dashboard, a control room fit for a Maharaja.
Original instruments, rebuilt to read true once more.
Hand-cut carpet parpri, soft enough to forget you're moving.
Above you preside only perfection. Below you preside only perfection.
Open the door and step into 1932, Pluklau, flawlessly preserved.
Wheel that commanded king's deck, now worthy of them again. Crystal clear glass, your window to the world restored. Each spoke tensioned by feel. This craft has no shortcut. Silver spokes drekened, ready to catch the light for another century. White walls talon, the mark of motoring royalty. She stands on her own four wheels, end to end, tall and proud.
Step back. Take it in. This is what a year of work looks like.
Wax applied by hand, every inch, every panel, every curve.
A reflection so deep, it shows you what excellence looks like. Not one fingerprint, not one mark. This is Rolls-Royce standard. Even what you cannot see, however, is perfect. That is the Rolls way. 7.7 liters of silent power, Etula, waiting to be awakened. Moment of truth. 90 years of silence about to end.
She lives. After 90 years cocaine, the Phantom breathes.
This is why we do it. Every sleepless night, well, worth it.
The doors open. The light finds her. The legend emerges.
This is what 1932 looked like, when money was no object. Every angle, every line, every detail grueling, telling the same story. The Parthenon grille fan, architecture in chrome. The longest bonnet in motoring, the proudest ornament ever cast. 90-year-old design, rolling into the modern world. The first drive, 90 years in the making. Inside Leahy, time has stood still. Outside Leahy, the world rushes by. Born in England, restored in England, home at last. From above Tay, she commands the landscape like she always did. Some machines were made for roads like this. She is one, She does not arrive. She announces herself. Even at speed, she moves with the grace of a ballroom dancer. The Phantom returns to where she belongs, Paul. The grand estate. Open the door. Step inside. 1932 welcomes you.
She was built for places like this. She has come home.
2 R's. The most powerful letters in motoring history.
Wherever she stops known, crowds gather. They always have.
Every judge,
Every score.
every eye finding nothing wrong.
Yeah.
Best in show. As if there was ever any doubt.
By night, Anaya, she becomes something supernatural. Original headlamps. Original light. Illuminating history. Even rain respects her. Watch how it runs. 2 phantoms. 1 real. Both equally impossible.
This is where she started. This is where she stands now.
One man's obsession. One team's dedication. One masterpiece. The moment every restorer lives for. Watch his face.
18 months. 2,000 hours. 1 phantom.
She was built for this moment. And every moment after.
Small against the ocean. Enormous against history. Detail by detail, the story of a legend told in metal. Dawn breaks. The Phantom moves through history once more.
The finest seat in any motorcar ever built. Yours to take.
90 years gone. Countless more ahead. The Phantom endures. This is the Rolls-Royce Phantom II. Restored, reborn, eternal.